Emyatano ya Uganda ekingirwe n'obunagana muwaka nyabwishenya na nteko kandi ekakingwa bwanyuma y'okubarukaho kw'endwara ya Ebola ey'ekika kya bundubujo strain omu Democratic Republic of Congo. Okugikinga kigenderire okurwanisa okujanjara kw'endwara egi. Jimmy Olwanaga kuruga omu kitongore ky'empungi ekya United Nations High Commission for Refugees nagira ngu okutambuza empungi nikwija kuba kwemerezibwe barikureeba embeera y'endwara ya Ebola oku erikutambura okusya obw'emyatano erigurwe.
As of today, we have 793 new arrivals at the transit center. This one after we have relocated 524 to Nakivale this morning. And as UNHCR and government right now, with the Ebola outbreak declared in DRC, we are trying to decongest the transit center. We want to make sure that whoever is here is taken to Nakivale so that we don't have a confined place where they're staying here, because if something happens, it becomes very difficult for them.
Ayihanangirize empungi eziri kutoroka kuruga mu Uganda kugaruka mu Congo no kugaruka mu Uganda okurekeraho muzogu agumiza ngo baza kwongera kujanjaza endwara omu bantu abagerinzire.
Some of them also tell us they still want to go and check the places if it's okay, so that maybe they can return. Others actually goes back, they said, because they have separated with their family members, they want to go and look for them, or they've got the information that they're somewhere, they're going to pick them. Our system is very good, that one will register you in the system. Even if you come back, we cannot register you again. Because also what we do as a standard procedure is that whoever arrive at the transit center, we do the initial screening in our system.
Honasimira abanyakisoro abo kwatanisa okwerinda Ebola no kwera empungi.
Actually, we had seen an increase in the number of new arrivals coming in before the Ebola outbreak, because from the month of April alone, we have received over 2,000 new arrivals. And the month of April had also increased. Actually, I think we are also about 1,800 already.
So those who are already in the transit center are being relocated to our settlement areas. But we want also to clear that transit center to have nobody there, because even the resources in terms of feeding them is not there. The partners are constrained with resources, and the Uganda government is also struggling to ensure that we deliver services, not only looking for Ebola, but even people have to get their salaries.
Omu Democratic Republic of Congo endwara ya Ebola eriyo neranda nk'omuriro gw'ekyanda, kandi aha mu Uganda abantu 9 nibo bari kuteekateekwaho kuba baine endwara ya Ebola. Gasha kwakiira tuzarirwe.